Find the multiplicative inverse of 2 minus 3a. What is the multiplicative inverse of a is 1 by a. The same way, so here multiplicative inverse of 2 minus 3a is 1 by 2 minus 3a. So we have to simplify that 1 by 2 minus 3a. How to simplify? Denominator should not be conjugate number. Denominator should not be complex number. So you have to multiply with conjugate complex number, which is 2 plus 3i by 2 plus 3a. That equal to 1 into 2 plus 3a is 2 plus 3i by a minus b into a plus b form is a square minus b square, which is 2 square minus 3i whole square. That is 2 plus 3i by 2 square is 4 minus 3i whole square is 9i square. That is equal to 2 plus 3i by 4 minus 9 into i square value is minus 1. So minus into minus plus 9. That is 2 plus 3i by 13. So 2 by 13 plus I into 3 by 13. Standard form of complex number. So multiplicative inverse of 2 minus 3i is 2 by 13 plus I into 3 by 13.